Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be, and do you believe you can do anything? What you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?
Silence to remember and think of our loved ones, Lolo Binoy, Lola Sinay, si Nanay, si Tioy, mga tiyo, mga tiya, at pataisa na nasa heaven kasama ng ating Lord. Sigurado ako na nagakalipay man sila at masadya at ipinagpapatuloy natin ang ating family reunion na inumpisahan nila. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa lahat ng umattend ngayon, lalo na yung mga galing sa abroad na nagbiyahe pa ng Marayo. Itong reunion na ito ay hindi magiging successful kung hindi sa suporta ninyong lahat ng buong Cordero Paez family. Maraming salamat kay Angel sa pag-asikaso niya ng ating venue dito sa Tatoy. Salamat Dorothy, Andrew, Bob, Jobert. Sa lahat ng suporta, sila ang gumawa ng lahat ng details dito. Kami dumating lang. So maraming salamat sa pag-asikaso ninyo dito sa ating family reunion. Maraming salamat kay Desira. Where is Desira? Desira, our official photographer. At sa lahat ng suporta, lahat ng nag-donate, ng mga prizes at ang importante ay ang inyong presence. And last but surely not the least, sa akon na bana si Vic, my financial supporter. I just scribbled my speech. So, mayroong 5 generations o generasyon dito sa ating family reunion. Kami yung pangatlo. The first cousins are the third generations, and then the second cousins are the fourth, and then so on.
Muntik na sila ka dumama kung itay. Our grand winner for this Family Got Talent Cordero Paez Family Reunion first ever. So meaning next time, may meron na namang ulit na mananalo. But now, hawak nila ang corona. Magiging hawak nila ang corona as our champion for the Family Got Talent. Our winner is Family. Kinakabahan din ba kayo? Dama ko yung heartbeat nyo.